Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about Java programming language with console. So today, we have the lesson objectives. Number one, discuss the Java technology. Number two, create a Java application with a text editor. And number three, compile the created Java program with console. So before we start, I would like you to, if you would like to follow my demo, I am sharing with you the following files, okay, which is necessary for us to run or compile our Java program, okay, in the console. So here we have the Java development kit. So I suggest you may download it, okay. And if you want the 32-bit version, so you can if you want the previous version, it is also good. No, you can also download this one. Alright, and the batch file I created, I will share with you this one later. So these are necessary file to download. And then lastly, the Java runtime environment. Okay, so yeah, just to explain with you, no, the Java technology, it has a four variations. So when we talk about Java, it is considered a programming language. Number two, it has a development environment. So it has a development environment in terms of it has a class, it has package, alright, and it has also compiler and interpreter. And number three, the technology has applications environment. So in which we can also the applications can able to do software, no, in terms of Java runtime environment supplied by J2 or the SDK. And now the second one, okay, which is the other, this is considered for deployment in the last part. So you can also create applications through browser. While in deployment, so you will be familiar with the Java Virtual Machine, and yeah, GRE is here and enable to contact with the Java Virtual Machine and the Java API. So as you can see in this figure, our first thing to do, we will create a hello world.java and we will compile it through our console and be able to transform into a bytecode. So if we consider bytecode, we have this file extensions already, the that class, in which this bytecode can enable can as one of the main goal of Java, no, to make it platform independent. So with the bytecode, it can run, okay, from different operating systems. So Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and others for the example, and lastly for interpretation. So the very first thing that you need to do is to download this file and install it. And you can also check, let me open a certain local disk C in my end here, and just look for the program files. I have installed the DRE already, so that is why I have here a Java folder in program files. And yeah, all you need to do is go back here in my given link and download this JDK. And when you are done downloading, all you need to do is, okay, to extract the file, going to this location, program file, C program files, /Java. So here I have already copied or extracted here. So the content of that JDK is this. So I just extracted in this location. So another thing that you're going to do, okay, go back to the local disk C. We're going to create next folder here. So let us name this as Java and with my name, Al. Alright. So here, I really want you once again to download a certain file in order to connect, okay? In order to connect to the, yeah, to the certain locations of the JDK. So let's download this batch file, download anyway. And yeah, let's consider this keep. Alright, I think I have downloaded it already. So let me now proceed with my created file, created folder rather. Okay, and I am going to copy what I have downloaded. Okay, the batch file. I think I am not downloaded yet the file for a while. Right. So make sure you trust. Okay, keep anyway. Alright, so keep anyway. It's working already. So here, when I get there to this location, I can now copy the certain file, copy on it. Let me rename this into, let us say, al.bat. Alright, okay, with my name, lowercase, okay. So, as you can see in this particular content, okay, let me open Notepad for us to see how this, what is this code all about. So this will enable linking to the target destination. So either with the JDK previous version or the JDK 13, 13, no, or JDK 13. So in which, if I'm going to guide you earlier, we have to find that particular location under local desc. Then we're going to proceed to, alright, program files. Then under this we have Java. Then there you go. Let me open this and targeting this content. Alright, in order to have a runtime environment for our Java. Okay, so to test, let me close this. Let me now open command prompt. And as I open command prompt, I have here the default. So I needed to go back to local desc by typing cd and /. And I needed to change my directory going to the folder Alps. Is that the name that I have? I think that is not Java Al. Java. It seems that it is also accepted even lowercase. It's not case sensitive actually. And we may now run the al.bat. Alright. So it seems that we get connected to the JDK 13 and JDK 1.8. So the next thing that we're going to perform is testing the Java compiler. Okay, command. Alright, so this is the strategy I use in order to check if the JDK is connected in our console. Alright, so, well, our main goal is to create a Java application and be able for me to guide you about the bytecode. So, all you need to do is to save our file under local desc java al. Let's save this as hello.java. Alright, and under our code, we can now type the following. So here, since this is Java, one of the variations, it includes a class. No? It considers everything as a class. So here we have to type public class hello. Alright, so under this, okay, we have to make sure we close that file. Then it is necessary to have this particular statement as the starting point of our Java, in which this is the main method. Okay, the Java will look first and execute our statements there. All right, so here we're going, this is actually the format, this is actually the syntax for us to be able to type a certain code. So let me use a comment. Okay, the next code will use to display, this will display hello world. All right, so to display hello world, we can actually type, so Java is case sensitive, system.out.println or print line. Then inside of this, we needed to have a string. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So by saving this, let me save this file and go back to this location, and let me type javac or java compile hello.java. So yeah, if you notice, I tried, or I have to consider at the same time creating an error for us to verify how the Java compiler works. So here, it used to tell us that we have an error, certain error under line 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So under this location. So, well, it says here, error unclosed string literal. So, it is necessary for us to enclose the certain string that we would like to produce. Alright? So, let me save, and carefully notice the particular folder that we have after running, or after initiating once again the particular command. I have here the byte class, so which has the file name hello.class. Alright, then we can now run. So by initiating, or by initiating the code hello. Right, so here hello that Java and hello. All right, so as you can see here, CLS Java and hello. So as you can see, this is uppercase. So when you would like to run hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. Okay, so again, compile. All right, then Java. Hello. All right, so in Java, we can also consider creating multi-line. So in our output earlier, it has single line only. Yeah, just to include this one. So here, you can also copy this and be able to paste it on the next line, paste it on the next line, and let us say this the message will be welcome to Java. Welcome to Java PL. And this one also, let's delete this. Alright, and let's put some space here. So this is the thing if you would like to consider having Java C once again, and Java hello. Java hello. Alright, so we have 3 lines. But actually, you can also create, this is one method of having multi-line, but you can also consider creating a multi-line like this. Okay, so by including new line here and pasting here and another one, new line and pasting this particular string under this. Alright, so let's try to check our output, and let's going to delete this. Save and CLS once again to blur our screen. Alright, so Java hello, then Java hello. Alright, so still we're having 3 lines of code. But if I am going to remove this, okay, we consider this output in 1 line only. So Java hello, that's Java hello. Alright, so that's the difference that I would like to add. Again, thank you.